Life is like a process of describing a story. Our stories are mentioned in our own lives. It contains a variety of experiences and is full of joys and sorrows. Every experience you meet represents our own personal growth. We should enrich ourselves by making efforts and also treat every person or thing presenting at your life in a positive attitude. Meeting each other is also a fate. Everyone we meet is meaningful. We should be grateful for those people who help us and regard those people who provide us with bad emotions as a kind of experience and challenge. We should inspire ourselves more instead of complaining and also do more. We should learn to share the joys with others and get rid of annoyance. What's more, we should learn to face it. Your life is changing because of your efforts. Your life will become meaningful because you have a better understanding of it. Your life will be wonderful because you keep thoughtful. When you look back, this will be a perfect life story.